got out of camp my last Monday till February. We went to Big B Coffee, which I think is a local. Is that a local place? I don't know. Well, we went to Big B Coffee, and I got the Midwest thing, so people down south don't know. And I got a chai latte. It's really good. And we're just gonna hang out at the hotel. KJ's gonna come and see what I did with Sarah and Nick on the sim. He hasn't seen my video from yesterday, so he will, and he'll laugh because it's funny. We were crazy yesterday. I will keep you guys updated. I'm here with Brindy. Brindy, say hey.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We're just hanging out.
I'm still playing Sims with Sarah's family. Sarah's here. And KJ's coming over. He's staying at a dad and uncle this week, so you won't see him as much as you've been for the last couple weeks. But he's coming tonight to hang out with us and to see what's going on. But yeah. McLean took my joystick thing.
And this is kind of weird why we're out here and not going through the lobby, because my sisters don't want me down in the lobby and it's weird, so I'm getting kind of freaked out.
Oh, sorry. Now, hey, there's a boat. It's a boat. Look at that boat. So my friend Noah, who I haven't seen in 7 years, is coming tomorrow around 4-ish. So you guys will definitely be able to see him. I'm kind of super excited to see him. I haven't seen him in so long. Gonna stop by the hotel and see us. I'm excited. I even texted him. I'm so excited. I haven't seen him in 7 years. He went to CLC for a year, maybe. He did come one summer session, and I was out here one summer session, and it was so much fun. I'm excited. Lucky. Lucky baby. Hi, Lucky. Look, it's Lucky. My doggy. Lucky is Sarah's doggy.
It's my... It's Freezy's pet.
It's a Freezy's pet.
Hi, YouTube world.
Hello, baby.
Hello.
Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Lucky. Right now I'm chasing McLean because he stole my joystick cover, and I know he stole my joystick cover. He just won't admit it to me. So now I'm chasing him literally around the hotel. We are going around the hotel. You think I'm lying? I'm not. McLean! Oh my gosh. So yeah, he definitely stole my joystick cover, and now I'm chasing it for it. He stole my... It's right here, but I remember going from here, like out of my desk, not having it. So why would it end up here? You just dropped it. Just then you're like, I already spotted it. I'm like, where? While I was looking, so you could have dropped it while I was... Boom, done. I'm the new. So, I'm ending the vlog here. Crazy day, I swear. McLean's just insane. I swear he probably did set that up to look like he didn't, because my joystick cover, this was tied on to my joystick cover. And my joystick kind of just fallen without my joystick, without my elastic band coming off too. But whatever. Like this video, subscribe to me. I love you guys.